Hello there, welcome to Fusion 360 tutorial. Today we're gonna make a simple ball bearing. Ball bearing is found in most of the machines in the world. First of all, we're gonna draw the sketch of outer and inner race and also the balls of the bearing. So we're gonna draw two rectangles first of same size. Then we're gonna eventually draw a circle in between the rectangles. Here, remember, the key D is for dimension. Now, press the key C for center point circle. Here, the goal is to put the circle in between the two rectangles. And also draw a straight line inside the circle. Here, remember, the key L is used for activating line. Now, our sketch part is done. These two circular rings are called race. The outer one is called outer race, and the inner ring is called inner race. The ball remains in between the two races. Our most parts are done. Now, we're gonna make the cage. Cage is a part which is used to keep the balls in its position. Remember, the key C is for circle. In order to select all the balls, press Shift and select the first body of the ball and the last body of the ball, and automatically all the balls will be selected. The thing that you are looking at right now on the screen is the cage. Our ball bearing is now ready. I hope you liked this video. If you have any questions, feel free to ask in the comment section.